So one of the chores I like to do about every 3 months living in the bus and sort of while we're having a major clean before we get back on the road is to wax and clean my bench top. So I have just over 6 meters of beautiful bench tops in this bus, and today I'm just going to run through and show you my process. So I've just given them a good scrub, a good clean down with just a general cleaning product, and now I'm going to get in and wax them. This is what I'm usually using. I usually use the Feast Watson one, but I couldn't find it, so I've got Gillies, beeswax, and this is the dark tinted one. Sometimes I use a clear, sometimes I use a dark, just depending on what the timber's looking like. I like the dark chocolatey look. It kind of matches with my floors. So, and it's just a sponge. A hot day is best. It does seem to go in, and then I'm just rubbing it on into the timber. And I do that both sides of my bus, and then through the day, make sure we get in all the nooks and crannies. Through the day, I'll just come back and buff that with a soft cloth, and I'll just keep buffing it until it's all nicely absorbed and the grains in the timber are all filled up. And that also helps keep the benches food safe. And there you go, beautifully waxed benches.